Onions are super healthy, whether you eat them raw or cooked. They're packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your health in a number of ways. The flavorful bulb is a rich source of antioxidants that boosts metabolism and prevents fat accumulation. Onions are low in calories, very low in sodium, and contain no fat or cholesterol. Hence, you would want to include onion in your fat loss diet if you're really serious about shedding a few extra pounds. But it's important to know how to use onion correctly to reap the optimal benefits. One of the most effective and simplest ways to use onion for weight loss is to consume onion juice with honey on an empty stomach. It's believed that taking onion juice sweetened with honey on an empty stomach every morning can help eliminate excess fat from your entire body, including that from your belly. Honey, which is also an excellent ingredient for weight loss, is loaded with metabolism-boosting properties, so the mixture truly works as a tonic for weight loss if taken regularly on an empty stomach. But onion and honey don't just offer weight loss benefits when taken together. In this video, we'll be looking at the biggest benefits of each ingredient on its own and how these combine when taken together. Let's start with the benefits of honey. 1. It may help beat hangovers. Scientists claim that the natural sweetener is a great way to help the body deal with the toxic effects of a hangover. The Royal Society of Chemistry claim that the fructose in honey, which is also found in golden syrup, is essential to help the body break down alcohol into harmless byproducts. 2. It contains antioxidants. Some darker types of honey have been found to contain antioxidants, which can help fight cell damage that may increase the risk for diseases like cancer and heart disease. 3. It may help fight cancer. Preliminary studies on mice show that some types of honey may inhibit cancer cell growth. So far, studies have only been done on mice, so that can't be translated with certainty to humans. 4. It may ease coughs and colds. Small studies found that children's coughs decreased with given honey. It's a popular home remedy for colds, and it certainly feels soothing going down when your throat is raw from hacking. 5. It's sweeter than sugar. It's very easy to substitute honey for sugar in your recipes. Honey is up to twice as sweet as table sugar, so you will need to reduce the amount called for in the recipe by 1/3 to 1/2 if you're using honey for granulated or table sugar. Moving on to the benefits of onions. 1. It lowers bad cholesterol. Studies show that onions, especially the red ones, can help reduce the levels of bad cholesterol. Consuming half a raw onion daily can help to raise the good HDL cholesterol by 30%. Chives, garlic, and shallots are also effective, as they all come from the same family. 2. Increases your supply of antioxidants. Onions contain one of the most important antioxidants. Our bodies produce even more of it when we eat lots of onions and other vegetables, such as cauliflower and broccoli. This antioxidant can ward off cancer, heart disease, and even Alzheimer's disease. 3. Stops colds in their tracks. Both the Roman Emperor Nero and President George Washington were absolutely convinced that the best way to stop a cold and developing sore throat was to eat an onion. It's the vitamin C in onions that make it so effective at fighting colds. Studies have found that taking vitamin C before cold symptoms start may shorten the length of time you have symptoms. 4. May help keep blood sugar under control. Onions contain an oil, and this oil acts in a way similar to how insulin helps balance blood sugar levels. Limited research shows that it helps to reduce blood glucose. 5. May help prevent cancer. One of the most common cancers among men affects the prostate gland. A recent study found that regular consumption of onions may help to reduce the incidence of prostate cancer. Similar studies show that stomach and breast cancer rates may also be cut by eating onions. 6. It helps to maintain brain health. Who isn't worried about memory loss and brain sharpness? Studies show that the consumption of onions can help when the brain is damaged by a stroke or a clot. It seems to play an important role in our mental health. We can see from scientific evidence that honey and onions have a lot of health benefits in common. As well as helping with weight control, both have some anti-cancer properties and are effective in treating cold symptoms. They also have their own unique benefits that, when combined together, make them even more of a beneficial health beverage. Taste-wise, the honey sweetens the onion juice slightly, so it's not as bad as it may sound. If you're interested to know how to make this healthy concoction, here's what you need to do. Take 1 large bulb of fresh onion, some water, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Peel and chop the onion into small pieces. Add the chopped onion to a blender. Now add some water and blend well. If you need more water, add it bit by bit as you blend. Extract the juice using a strainer. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey and mix well. Then drink it up. No, honey and onion juice might not be the most delicious sounding beverage out there, but it's got a lot going for it when you look beyond taste. It's simple to make with staple foods you probably already have in your cupboard. So why not give it a go today? Especially with cold and flu season approaching, you'll be well protected if you drink a healthful glass of honey and onion juice every morning. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on why you should be drinking honey, lemon, and turmeric every morning. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.